First things first, you need a measuring mat, scissors, and a ruler, and also a seam gauge. You're gonna cut across. This is only if you're making like a smaller blanket for a baby, but I purchased 1 yard of fabric, so that's why I'm cutting it in half so it'll be like a smaller size. However, if you want to make a bigger blanket, you can do that too. So we're gonna cut, and then we're gonna put right sides together. You then want to pin down all four sides. Now, if you're like me, I pin down one side, well, two sides actually, and then I put less pins on the last two sides. So I'm gonna show you guys here. And make sure you put enough pins in, especially like if you're a beginner at sewing, just so you can kind of keep a straight line once you begin sewing. Because the last step, we're going to end up pulling the blanket inside out. Now, if you cut the fabric in half like I did to just make a small baby blanket, you can actually make two baby blankets, because I actually had two extra pieces of fabric left. So later on, what I'm going to do is just make another blanket for the baby. Or you can simply make something else, but it's up to you. So now my sides are pinned and I can begin sewing. Really, you only need to do 1/4 inch seam allowance on each side. To make it easier for you, I would just continue sewing as I'm taking the pins out on each side. So like I said before, I didn't put that many pins on the last two sides. So now we're pulling it inside out, because it's one last step. The whole, no, really you're supposed to hand sew it, but I was actually in a rush. So I'm just going to sew as close as possible as I can to the edge just to close it up. And just make sure you reinforce back stitch. And now you have a baby blanket. You might want to push the sides in once you do it inside out. Take maybe a long stick, but there's your baby blanket. And I actually made a basket for my mom. Thank you for watching.